You're always late. I can't take you anymore. You have no more sick time. School now, sick. Are you okay? You don't do your work. You handle everything late. You owe me freaking.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, welcome. My name is Kisha Modoni. In today's video, I want to give you guys a tour of my house. So I've been staying in Kampala, Uganda for I think 3 weeks now, going 4 weeks. And I thought, why not give you guys a tour of my house? So currently staying in a 1-bedroom furnished apartment that is so cute that I like. Yeah, so let me give you guys a very quick tour. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe.
Obviously, I gotta work, suck it up and give a smirk, smile, and even though it hurt and see my boss a fucking jerk.
So this is the living room slash very small dining section here. So this is the couch, coffee table, and then there's a very small tiny fridge here. And then the lighting in this house is dope, to be honest. I can switch off these lights, I can switch off this one, I can switch off that one, I can just have that one on. So it's really nice, but for the sake of this video, we're just gonna have all of them out because you guys need to see clearly. And then on this side is the TV and a lot of storage space down here. And then I have my books here. The sunglasses I frequently go out with are always here. Yeah, and some zebras just here chilling. So yeah, this is my living room. And then there's this phone right here that they called me with just in case someone has come to visit and they just need an approval. So yeah, that is my living room. I feel like it's spacious and it's modern and I love it.
Works long nights, slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. Slaving night, works days, works night, slaving day, slaving night.
So coming over this side is the kitchen area. Again, very spacious. Like there's a lot of space to just walk around with, especially if I'm cooking and all that. This is a microwave and the cooker is right here, and then we have the sink, and then there's plenty of storage space up here. I just have some lemons here sitting out, and then inside here is a lot of stuff. The gas is inside here. Up here is just like kawaii normal stuff for cooking, and then the side is just like cutlery. Yeah, so I love this space and how it's just, you know, spacious and functionable, and yeah, I feel like it's beautiful and it looks nice. Then coming on this side is the bedroom, the wash area, and I was almost saying the microwave, to be honest, and the washing machine. So this is a Hisense washing machine, and then up here I just have my detergent and the clothes that I've worn that need to be cleaned. And then this section is just my bathroom and wash area and toilet, and that's me. That's me. Okay, so yeah, this is my sink area, a waste bin. So apparently this is a waste bin and not a dustbin. And then my toilet, some essentials up here. On this other side is the towels. And my favorite shower gel. And then the last place I will show you guys in this house is the bedroom. This is a bedroom, quite spacious. I love the lighting. I love this, like there's not much going on in here. Just a bed and the side tables, and then that's it. Like there's not much going on here. And then yeah, that's my again. So there's this mirror that is absolutely functionable, because this is what I use in the morning as I prep for work. And that's me with some socks on because the house is a bit cold. And then on this side we have the wardrobe that is so huge, and my suitcase is up there. So I just have stuff here, stuff here, stuff down here. Yeah. And then on this side, just my clothes and shoes. And then I just have like an awesome view outside, especially at night. The view just is to die for. Yeah, so I think that's about it. So yeah, that's it. That's a complete tour of my house. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Until my next video, adios.